Alright, so now that you've finished up surface area, we're going to move on to volume. Start with prisms and cylinders. So it says, recall that volume is the amount of space that a solid takes up. Volume is measured in cubic units. So the volume of a prism, really easy. Volume is area of the base times the height. So remember, that is area of base. So that all depends on what the base of the prism is. So right here we have a triangular prism. So we need the area of a triangle, which is base times height over 2, right? This here is my prism height. This is my base height. So you have to understand that even though there's two heights, which one is which? Okay, this is the base height because it's the height of the triangle. This is the prism height because it's a side of the prism. Okay, so volume in this sense is half times 4 times 7 times 2. Which you could then at that point put in the calculator if you wanted to. I'm going to do it real quick. Half of 4 is 2, times 7 is 14, times 2 more is 28 inches cubed. Okay, right here, since they're all the same, it's a cube, but you would do this exact same thing for a rectangular prism. So volume is just 8 times 8 times 8. So 8 times 8 is 64. 64 times 8 is going to be 32. Carry the 3. 8 times 6 is 48, so 492. Wrong. 8 times 8 times 8, 512. I was off. 48 plus 3, yeah. 512. Meters cubed. Alright. Oh, I didn't leave much space right there. That's right. Volume of a cylinder. So volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. Pretty simple. So remember, pi, IXL is using 3.14. So volume is 3.14 times, in this case, this is my diameter, which means my radius is 2. So 2 squared times 5. So 3.14 times 2 squared times 5. 62.8. 2.8 millimeters cubed. Alright, so now this is my radius, which makes it really easy. Volume equals 3.14 times 12 squared times 20. 3.14 times 12 squared times 20 gives me 9,043.2. 9,043.2, in this case yards cubed, not squared, cubed. Alright, so, oh no, we still got a few more examples. Alright, so now they're giving us, in this instance, the volume, and we want to find a part of our prism. Okay, so area of the base, we'll just find that area of the base in this case is half 10 times 15, right? Or half of 10 is 5 times 15 is 75. Alright, so volume, remember, is area of the base times the height. So my volume is 1425. Area of my base is 75. My height in this case is G. So really simple. Now we divide by 75. And G, or the side that I want, 1425 divided by 75 is 19. And that's going to be feet. Alright, so now we're looking for a part of the base. So this is going to be a little bit different. Very much the same, but a little bit different. So area of the base times the height. So this is 1125 equals the area of the base times 10. So we'll divide by 10. Means that the area of my base is going to be 112.5. Now I'm going to set this equal to the formula for a triangle. So 112.5 is equal to half of 15 times m. Okay, so half of 15 is 7.5. Now I can divide by 7.5 on both sides. And m is going to be 15. Centimeters. Pretty simple. Alright, so we want to find the height of the cylinder. Real big numbers here. So remember, volume is pi r squared h, right? So this is going to be 2,229,450.24 equals 3.14 times 86 squared times h. So let's find out what 3.14 times 86 squared is. 3.14 times 86 squared is 23,223.44. Alright, so 2,229,450.24 equals 23,223.44 h. So we're now going to divide by 23,223.44 on both sides. And the answer it gives us will be h. So 2,229,450 0.24 divided by 23,223.44 gives me approximately 96. So 96 yards. Alright, so there is your video about volumes of prisms and cylinders. We'll see you guys in the next one.